The 2016 BMW X6 M by AC Schnitzer. The debut of AC Schnitzer's tuning kit for the new BMW X6 at the 2015 Geneva Motor Show meant it would only be a matter of time before a similar program would be unveiled for the more powerful X6 M. Well, it certainly didn't take long because the German tuner has just released the details for the said program. Similar to the setup of the X6 tuning kit, the version of the X6 M is as comprehensive as it's going to get. It has exterior modifications, suspension upgrades, and minor interior improvements. Most importantly, it comes with an impressive engine upgrade that adds almost 80 horsepower to the X6M's output. AC Schnitzer hasn't said how much the program's going to cost. I do think that the cost of acquiring this program would fall somewhere in the $10,000 to $15,000 range. If you are really interested in the program, your best bet is to hit up AC Schnitzer to get a quote on the kit. Since some parts can be added as extra options, the price could vary depending on what you want to put into your X6M. Continue reading to learn more about the BMW X6 M by AC Schnitzer. Exterior. The standard BMW X6 M already packs a load of aerodynamic components. Huge vents, air intakes, and diffusers are all scattered throughout the coupe SUV, helping spread cool air to the twin-turbocharged V8 engine, and the massive brake pads. AC Schnitzer's also offering optional chrome design elements for hood vents and a nice rear skirt decor film. To its credit, AC Schnitzer didn't overhaul these components since they're all already in place. What the German tuner did was complement these existing parts with a new front skirt, a fixed carbon fiber rear wing, carbon rear skirt insert, and a vented sport hood. All these additions were installed to keep the X6M aerodynamically stable, especially with the impressive engine upgrade that's also a part of this program. AC Schnitzer's also offering optional chrome design elements for hood vents and a nice rear skirt decor film. Rounding out the exterior modifications on the X6M are the available wheel options. In this instance, AC Schnitzer is offering a wide variety of wheels for the coupe SUV, including double-spoke AC1 wheels that come in either bicolor or matte anthracite finishes. If those aren't to a customer's liking, the tuning firm also has a set of Type 8 racing forged wheels in bicolor, Type 8 wheels in bicolor black or silver, and Type 5 lightweight forged alloys in bicolor or anthracite. Interior. The cabin of the BMW X6 M was kept as it is, at least for the most part. The only notable upgrades AC Schnitzer put into the interior are the aluminum pedals and footrest, velour floor mats, and an aluminum key holder. Drivetrain. The real meat of AC Schnitzer's program for the BMW X6 M can be found under the hood of the high-performance, luxury SUV. The changes itself are minimal, but they are effective enough to bump the output to 650 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque, a sizable increase from the X6M's standard 575 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque coming out of the SUV's 4.4-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 engine. AC Schnitzer accomplished that by installing a bespoke engine control unit and a new sports exhaust system. The latter, in particular, is available in 3 variations, including Sports Black, Chromed Sports, or Carbon Evo tailpipes. An active flap can also be found on the tailpipes, installed by AC Schnitzer to enhance the modified V8 engine's throaty roar under higher throttle loads. The German tuner didn't elaborate on the X6M's performance improvements, but given the significant increase in power, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.7 seconds and a top speed of 180 miles per hour isn't out of the cards. If those numbers are accurate, that would be a nice step up from the standard X6M's 0 to 60 mph sprint time of 4 seconds and 155 mph top speed. Safety. Safety improvements are limited to the installation of the aftermarket company's suspension spring kit. This new setup drops the coupe SUV's ride height by 0.6 to 0.78 inches at the front and rear. Not only does the suspension kit give the X6M a more nuanced look, it also helps keep the vehicle stuck closer to the ground, especially when it's traveling at high speeds. Conclusion. AC Schnitzer is like that basketball player who doesn't throw up insane statistics every game. Instead, he's the type that can be relied upon to contribute in a variety of ways, whether it's points, rebounding, or assists. Much the same way, the German tuning firm isn't going to release a tuning program that's going to blow any of us away. It's not Mansory, but then again, nobody is. For the most part, AC Schnitzer just rolls out quality programs one after another. That's what I see here with its new kit for the BMW X6 M. There's nothing that really strikes me as out of this world, but the overall package is impressive nonetheless. The aerodynamic updates on the exterior should improve the coupe SUV's handling dynamics. The interior upgrades aren't much, but at least there are things to expect. Then there's the engine modification, which really isn't that exhaustive when you consider that it boils down to EQ remapping and a new exhaust. But taken as a whole, it improves the X6M in a lot of ways, and for most tuning firms, that's considered a job well done. Love it. Impressive engine bump results in 650 horsepower output. Aerodynamic upgrades help in the SUV's handling. Sweet wheel options. Leave it. Would have liked more improvements on the interior. How much? Other tuners also offering X6M upgrades.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.